Oh, respectable audience, 66 divided by 10 plus 1 times 6, 10 plus 1 is equal to 11 times, here is 6, 11 times 6 is equal to 66, and 66 divided by 66, answer will be equal to 1, but remember that it is not correct, so I have to solve it again. It's 66 divided by parentheses 10 plus 1 times 6, so we have to solve it again. 66 as it is. First of all, our target should be this parenthesis according to PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, the rule says that first of all, parentheses should be solved. So 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Here is no sign, so we can put multiplication sign and 6 as it is. Now, in this case, exponent is not involved because here is no exponent. Then multiplication and division both have same priority. But remember that this priority should be from left to right. Both are equal, but we have to move from left to right. Mean, here division is at left and multiplication is at right, so we have to handle the operation. Either it is division or it is multiplication. We have to handle the operation which is at left. So first of all, we have to handle this one. Division. 66 divided by 11, it will be equal to 6, and 6 times 6 will be equal to 36. In the previous answer was 1, in which we have not followed the PEMDAS rule, but when we followed the PEMDAS rule, we got answer 36, and it is correct answer. So thank you for watching and subscribing and supporting my channel.